Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to start a new chapter which is data structures. If you want to do any programming in this IT sector, I think you have to have a clear idea about the concepts behind these data structures. By definition, data structure is a systematic way of organizing and accessing data. That means it is a group of elements that provide an easy way to store and perform different actions on the data of the computer. Simply, data structure is a combination of organized data and its operations. As we know, programmer is the person who is responsible when creating a program. In here, programmer is the one who decides which data structure to be used depending on the data that we use in the program and what are the processes that needed to be done on that data. So, by using an efficient data structure, we can get many benefits. We can reduce the memory space and also we can reduce the execution time of the program. Mainly, we can divide these data structures into two, which is linear and nonlinear. What is linear? Linear data structures means the elements of that data structures are arranged in one dimension. For example, arrays, linked lists, stack, queue. And when we get nonlinear data structures, their elements are arranged as one to many to one, many to many, likewise. So, for example, we can take tree, graph, tables, and sets. So, in upcoming videos, we will be discussing each and every data structure in deep. And for this instance, keep in mind these are the two types of data structures. And nowadays, in this present world, data structures are used in various fields. And these are some of the examples for those fields. In operating systems, in graphics, computer design, blockchain, genetics, data structures are used. So, this is just the introduction for these data structures, and I hope to discuss more and more about these data structures and types of data structures in future videos. So, hope you guys stay with me for my next videos and hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.